and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to discuss the fundamentals of deep learning, that is, or you can say introduction to deep learning in very short manner. So we have to see today what is deep learning and what are the core concepts of behind the deep learning and how deep learning works today. Like that. First of all, you know what is meant deep learning. Deep learning is a branch of AI that teaches computers to process data similar to the human brain. That means it teaches the computer to teaches the computer and do the training process without human intervention. That is the major advantage of deep learning here. So you can train anything and get the results based on the training. And moreover, it also helpful to recognize the complex patterns, might be the data in the form of anything like picture, text, sound, or any other things also, and helpful to get the predictions in accurate. Moreover, the deep learning term uses the term called neural networks here. Core concept of deep learning, it consists of three things. One is called neural networks, another called deep neural networks, another called artificial ones. Neural network, the heart of the deep learning is called neural networks. Neural networks are the networks, or you can say these are the computers and models consist of interconnected nodes or neurons, which help to process the information and get the predictions here. And next one, the deep neural network. Here the term deep refers to the number of layers. That means number of layers ordered between the input and the output layer. And this also helpful to recognize the complex features and extra complex features and feature extraction also, and make predictions based on this based on this deep neural network only. Next one is the activation functions. In our neural network, activation functions are the decision makers. You can say simply these are decision makers. These are the functions decide the information. These are the functions already decide and process the information and along with process the information and pass to the next layer. Now, how deep learning works? Before that, we have to see the layers. Generally, it consists of more than 3 layers also. By default, it follows the neural network and consists of input layer, hidden layers, and output layer. How deep learning works means it utilizes the feature extraction to recognize the similar features of same label and descent boundaries to find out the features accurately present each label here. Let's say example of cats and dog classification. And before that, I say some points here. Moreover, the deep learning model contains deep neural networks and just not only 3 layers there, and these also consist of multiple layer hidden layers and with additional layers. Here we need support of additional layers because these additional layers helpful to improve the model accuracy here. Let's say example of cats and classification. Let's assume that we are going to give input as a cat. So we are going to give cat, then the hidden layers start to process and along with the help of active functions and thing, it forward to the next layer. At last output it will predict and say whether it's a cat or like that. So first of all, you are training the assume that we are going to give image of cat and go train, and after training and testing everything over, we are going to give again cat. Means what happen, it will say prediction of output as a cat only. Suppose you are training only cat and next time you giving as a giving for the dog and identify, means it couldn't do because we are training complete the cat, because everything the feature extraction done based on the shape of the animal and the body and mouth and etc. like that. So based on the feature extractions, it will result in work. So with the help of deep learning, lot of advantages there, and also we can add n number of hidden layers for process the information. The general thing is it also supports GPU, that is general processing unit, and it can handle the large number of data set. Any data set is there and any complex data set is there, we can train with the help of deep learning like that. This is about the introduction and some fundamentals of deep learning. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.